Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Indian Recipes. Today I'm going to show you a Maharashtrian recipe made using roasted multigrain flour called Bhajaniche Vade. So let's start. Take 1 cup of water in a pot. To this, add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Bring this to a boil. A pinch of hing, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, half a teaspoon of Ajwain. Lightly crush them between your palms. Now bring this mixture to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Now gradually add 1 cup of Bhajani flour. Mix everything, turn off the flame and cover and let it sit for 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, remove the lid. Give everything a good mix. The mixture is going to be hot, so please be careful. Now remove this mixture on a wide plate. Apply some cold water onto your palms and then gradually start making this mixture into a dough. The mixture might be slightly sticky, but that is okay. Our dough is now ready, so start making them into smaller dough balls. Bhajani flour is usually a mixture of jawar, bajra, nagli flours. A very small proportion of wheat and rice and chana dal. Apart from that, there are 2 other spices, which is jeera and coriander seeds. Now with 1 cup of flour, I was able to make around 12 dough balls. Now apply some water to a plastic sheet and place the dough ball in the center. Now gently flatten out the dough ball. As you are flattening out, smoothen the edges. Make a hole in the center and our vada is ready to go into the oil. First I'll make a couple of vadas and then fry it together. You can also flatten the dough between your palms. Use water as needed. Now heat oil in a kadai and add the vada. You will first start to see some bubbles. As the vadas are getting cooked, the bubbles will reduce. Now take a spatula and press the vada lightly. You can also add oil on the top so it cooks evenly from both sides. You can see our vada has turned golden brown in color. Now remove the vada on a plate. Now similarly fry remaining vadas. Flip the vadas to check it's been golden brown in both sides. Our vadas look fully cooked. Now remove them on a plate. I hope you like my today's recipe. Do give it a try and let me know how they turned out for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.